Right, here is the Golf R Mark 7, and basically I'm changing the camshaft magnets, but also if you have a leak or your plugs have got oil on them, it's the actual, let me show you, it's the actual spool valves inside. I can't get my phone in there, it is. The actual spool valve inside, that needs also changing, as can cause misfiring, which is happening to me during driving for about 30 seconds, and then it goes back to normal. But that's because when the cams adjust when putting your foot down, then basically it does, well, it's jammed, so you take them out and replace them. You don't clean them, you just change them over. They're about £40, and there are about 7 or 8 different revisions, so you've got to ring up the company and they'll tell you what belongs to what engine. Yeah, so there's my new, well, cam magnet on that side, which I changed about a month ago, but I didn't know until the tuning company told me that you've got to change them as well. A lot of people just change cam magnets, but you're supposed to change the spool valve as well. So here is the new spool valve. You need 2 of them because you have 2 cam magnets, and you need 2 spool valves. And then this set of sockets, or special sockets to take it out, which cost me £10 for all 5. Different ones would fit. Mine uses the black one, and yeah, I'll be installing that now. So I've taken the spool valve out, and just remember on this, it's clockwise to take them off and anti-clockwise to put them on. Usually it's righty-tighty and lefty-loosey, but it's the opposite. There's the old one compared to the new one. You can see it looks used, but just make sure when you put the new one on that you soak it in oil. So it's soaked in oil. The oil I usually use in the engine is Miller's oil, 540, and I'm just going to wipe this end off and put it back in. Repeated the same process again on the other side. There's the old ones, here's the new one. Put it in oil again, and they're from the make is Febby Bilston, and it's from Awesome GTI. Okay, so the cam magnets are back on. I used a T30 Torx, and basically I've got to start it now and see if it works.